Hey guys, Manchetta here and welcome back to my channel. And today we got here the Marshal Stanmore II Voice. So this one is one of the best speaker that Marshal got for home usage or sa gamitin niyo sa bahay. So what's up with the speaker? Well, this one is actually when it comes to hardware and design, nag-stand out talaga siya. We all know that the Marshall speaker is known for, having a rock and roll style, and they're known for the guitar speakers and all. They have a lot of products when it comes to audio products. Anyway, so this one comes with a 50 watts woofer and a 15 watts tweeter. Not the tweeter that no, not that. May tweeter talaga siya dito sa speaker. And then of course, this one comes with Google Assistant, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. So one of the main features of this one is Google Assistant. You can actually talk to it if you want. If you want to talk to Google Assistant, you can do that. But of course, pwede siya connect sa smartphone. Pwede nyo pa rin connect siya sa PC and all. So what are we waiting for? So let's unbox and let's take a closer look at the Marshal Stanmore II Voice speaker. Yan, so may seal pa siya. This is actually a pretty big speaker. So ibaba ko muna yung speaker because the Marshal Stanmore II Voice is really big. Oh my goodness. Medyo mabigat siya. Forgive me. So first, kunin muna natin yung box. So medyo malaki yung Marshal Stanmore II Voice speaker. So first, kunin muna natin yung speaker mismo. So medyo bulky and mabigat siya. There we go. Oh, it's a beautiful speaker and I don't know where to put it in my house. My goodness gracious. And look at this one. Wow. Okay. Nakalimutan ko sabihin ko. Okay, so we got here the Marshal Stanmore II Voice. It's quite big, yes, but I believe this one is made for home usage as this one doesn't have a battery, unfortunately. So kailangan nyo siya nakasaksak palagi. Speaking of saksakan, we also got here the plug. Yan. And of course, some jelly and these things na hindi nyo dapat kainin sa loob ng box. So we also got here the quick start guide. Of course, ito yung plug. So kailangan natin siya saksak para malaman natin kung kamusta ba performance nito. But before that, pag-usapan muna natin yung design niya. So first of all, it's really premium when it comes to design. You all know that this one has a beautiful design. Oh my god, I love this one. Okay, so what I like about the Marshal Stanmore II Voice speaker is that it has a very classy look. We all know that when it comes to Marshall speakers, you can search it out sa Google, makikita niyo yung design niya. Ang ganda ng design niya. I actually like the design of this one, although I wish there was a handle or any parang, pwedeng paghawakan kasi medyo mahirap siya dalhin. Kailangan ko siyang buhatin dito sa ilalim and to lift it like this. So, not unlike other speakers na may kasamang handle or something na para madali siyang buhatin. Anyway, I think this one is made talaga sa bahay na nandito lang sa place na to. You don't need to move it. That is how the Stanmore II Voice was made. And yeah, you can see here, got here the Marshall logo in here. Really nice. Parang may mesh dito na design. Parang, well, I'm not sure what material is this, pero it does look like premium to me. And then we also got here the EST what's this? 1962 with 4 LEDs over here. I believe this one is the indicator or the LED indicator for Google Assistant. Then dito, got a pretty nice buttons in here. So we got here the treble. Yan. So wala siyang katapusan na pag-ikot. Pwede niyo ikot-ikotin yan. So once we turn it on, dun yung makikita. We also got here the bass and also the volume. We can adjust that one. Then of course, meron tayong microphone button for the Google Assistant if you want to turn it off. We also got here, this one is the play button. Yan, may play button tayo. And then the next one is the source button because you can choose between Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or AUX or RCA. Yes, it does come with RCA. I don't know any people still using RCA, but yes, some people are still using RCA. And it, medyo weird lang yung placement of the AUX, which is placed here. So when you plug in an AUX over here, so medyo nakataas siya, then nakaganon. So it's better to use this one with your smartphones or tablets connected to it using Bluetooth, then place the source to Bluetooth. And nakikita naman, meron tayong leather look on this one. It does feel premium. Ganda hawakan, ang ganda na feel niya. And then sa likod, we got here the well, of course, the power source, the power port, the RCA, and well, for the bass. So, wala masyado dito sa ilalim, but we do got a feet over here. So, hindi siya basta-basta madudulas because we got a rubber feet on this one. So, kahit matulak siya, no, it's actually hard na itulak yung Marshall speaker. But it's actually fine. Maganda yung pagkakagawa ng rubber feet niya. And of course, may screws to sa ilalim. And yeah, there's nothing on the sides. So, the Marshall speaker also comes with an application. Of course, you need to download Google Home. I have Google Home in here. And I haven't set it up actually. I have Google Home and I got the Marshall Bluetooth speaker application on my Galaxy S10 Plus. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna try it out. Tingnan natin kung paano magkoconnect with Google Home and also with the Marshall app. Alright guys, so we've finished setting this one up on Google Home and we've set it up at this source. So we're using the Bluetooth source right now. You can see it over here. The red one is the indicator that we've set it up to Bluetooth. By pressing this button, you can actually see that we're setting it up sa iba pang source. But we actually prefer Wi-Fi since we connected this one using the Wi-Fi. So all you need to do is to download this application. So it's the Google Home application. You can see here that I got my other devices that comes with Google Assistant na connected dito. So I can actually tell this Marshall speaker that I can turn off my TV. You can actually see this one on the camera, but when I said kanina na, okay Google, turn off the TV. So automatically magta-turn off yung TV. So, the good thing about the Google Home Assistant on this one is that it's connected to different applications. I could actually tell this speaker to connect to my Spotify. Okay, Google, play music on Spotify on the bedroom speaker.
Alright, here's some music on Spotify.
Okay, so for some legal reasons, I can't play my playlist on the Spotify because we will be struck down by YouTube. So we're gonna play some no copyright sounds on Spotify. Again, this one is connected through Wi-Fi on the Google Home application. And you can see here that I've set this one. So yung volume natin, isi-set natin to the middle one. So actually, pwede ko siya idulo. Ikot ko lang siya na ikot. Yan, walang katapusan yung pag-ikot yan. So medyo, yeah, flexible siya. So yeah, you can set it up dyan lang sa middle 5. You could actually adjust the treble to 5, then bass to 5. Then let's play some music. Again, I can play all of the songs na meron tayo. But yes, that's the no copyright sounds. But what I like about it is that it's actually pretty loud. I can actually turn this one to the max settings because our neighbors will be complaining sa mga guards dito na, yeah, lakas ko ng sounds ko. But actually, even if nasa middle lang yung volume ko, it's actually pretty good. And you could actually set it up sa bass ng maximum. Yan, nakikita nyo. I've set it up to the maximum. And maganda yung bass niya. It's not surprising as I've known Marshall speakers to have a really good bass along with treble. Well, medyo nabibitin ako sa treble and sa mids niya. But the bass on this one, it's actually pretty good. And yeah, it's one of the speakers na talagang maganda i-display sa bahay. It's not just a speaker. It's actually good din sa decoration sa bahay. Uy, ang ganda. Meron tayong Marshall speaker na nandito sa living room. And yes, it does come with Google Assistant. Actually, mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo yung kung paano nagwo-work yung Marshall, the Google Assistant of the Marshal Stanmore II Voice in our Google Home setup. So you are looking at our living room and yes, it's connected to our Wi-Fi connection. I have here my Marshall Bluetooth speaker, the Stanmore II Voice, so I could actually do this. Okay, Google, play Big Bang Theory on Netflix.
Sure, The Big Bang Theory from Netflix. Playing on living room TV.
So there we go. You could actually play Big Bang Theory na right directly dito sa Marshall Stanmore II speaker. Of course, gamitin yung remote nyo, play season 2, or you could actually do this. Okay, Google, turn off TV.
Got it. Turning off the living room TV.
Voila. So, pwede nyo gawin yon. Pwede nyo turn off yung TV nyo. Pwede rin to. Okay, Google, turn on TV.
Got it. Turning on the living room TV.
There we go. It's pretty cool, right? So, okay, Google, play Designated Survivor on Netflix.
Alright, Designated Survivor from Netflix.
There we go. You could
Playing on
actually...
living room TV.
That is really cool. You could actually do a lot of things with Google Assistant. You could actually turn off your lights and everything with the Marshall Stanmore II Voice speaker. So yeah, I guess that's it for our unboxing and quick review of the Marshall Stanmore II Voice. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, now is the time to subscribe. So don't forget to check out my social media channels, my Facebook group, my Facebook page, my Twitter and Instagram. So once again, I am Jam of JamOnline.ph, and thanks for watching our unboxing and quick review of the Marshall Stanmore II Voice speaker.